Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your Xiaomi Mi Lite, at first you have to go for the settings, then move for the connection and sharing, select right here printing and use system print service. And as you can see right now our smartphone connects to this printer, HP Color LaserJet Pro. So right now I will show you how we can print something, and it will be a good example on the images. Click right here, select this printer icon, click to select the printer, and then just go for your printer, and to print you have to click on this button. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.